My name's Jason Spain, located in east central Iowa, just 20 miles west of the Mississippi. So residue management is very important in our environment here. Being a Pioneer dealer, I scout a lot of fields, and I can quickly tell the difference between a worn out corn head versus a well cared for or well conditioned corn head, which directly correlates to emergence come spring. On our operation, we run a Geringhoff rotodisc, and the chain rolls were added to a Case IH 4412. Basically, it came down to economics. When you figure the cost of a Geringhoff rotodisc versus a Case 4412 and adding chain roll, there's a lot of dollars there that's a huge difference. And what I'm excited to see is I think the chain rolls can do just a comparable job to the Geringhoff. So prior to using chain rolls, the Geringhoff rotodisc was the main corn head that harvested our acres. But the risk of that was come spring, sometimes that would leave a heavy mat of residue and would require a tillage pass just to open it up and to allow us to be able to plant. What I'm excited about for chain roll is I didn't see that mat left behind. You could literally see the ground, bare dirt at times in the field, and that could only mean come spring there'll be that much more exposed, allowing the ground to dry out quicker and potentially letting us plant earlier. So installing chain roll is a tedious job, but over the course of 2 days we had the project done from start to finish. The nice thing about it, you're not constantly trying to adjust knife settings or knife gap. Once you put these things on, you're ready to roll to the field for the most part. So for us on our operation, chain roll was a great investment, and looking forward to the results in years to come.